afternoon. Let me give you some info on the visit of the Prime Minister. Upon the invitation of the President, the Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Mahathir bin Mohammed will undertake an official visit to the Philippines from March 6 to 7. The official visit of the Prime Minister reciprocates President Duterte's visit to Malaysia, if you remember, last July of 2018. The President will welcome officially the Prime Minister at ceremonies to be held in Malacanang Palace on March 7th. The two leaders will hold a bilateral meeting and discuss cooperation in the political, economic, and people-to-people spheres and exchange views on topics of mutual importance. This is the first time that the Prime Minister will visit to the Philippines since he assumed his position again as the Prime Minister of Malaysia in 2018. During his previous term as Prime Minister, he undertook bilateral official visits in 1987 and 1994.
Okay, sige.
Sir, more details on the visit of Mr. Mahathir Mohamad, sir. Will the issue on Sabah be tackled as well?
Hindi ko pa alam kung anong agenda. Alam ko lang may state dinner.
But
It's Thursday.
is it possible for the President to discuss our claims on Sabah?
Oh, everything is possible naman when you meet a head of a state.
And do you think
every
it's
issue
necessary
is
this time since we've not been talking about this for so long?
Kaya nga, everything is possible.